Let's talk about the stylus pen, which can be used as a mouse, and it can also be used with the virtual keyboard. I would first like you to notice a big difference between the cursors. Right now I'm using the touchpad on my keyboard, and you can see that there's that traditional pointed arrow. If I switch to using my stylus, notice the change. The tip of the pen will act like the left click button on a mouse. There's a smaller button toward the middle that acts as a right click. If you want to use the right click button, press it down before touching the screen to activate the right click option. Let's use our stylus to create a new Google Doc. So using the tip of the pen, I'm going to select New and select Google Docs. Now let's say I'd like to type something. Look at the area just under the page, and I'm circling it right now, and you can see a little icon of a touch keyboard. That's what we want to activate. So I'm going to go ahead and activate that using my pen. Now I can use the pen to type. When I'm done using the pen to type, I can press on the keyboard again at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and I'm going to hide the keyboard. The stylus works very much like a mouse, so I, for instance, could left click and drag to highlight the word hi. I do this by pressing down with the stylus and then just moving left. From there I could continue to use the tip of the pen to change the color of my type. Let's try the right click. Now I want you to notice first that if I press the right click button, you see a circle appear around it. That's an indication that we're going to use it. So I hold down the right click button, and if I press on high, you can now see my options. In this case, I'm going to cut. And that's how you use a stylus pen as a mouse and with a virtual keyboard.